What's up guys, it's Connor with 4Runner Lifestyle and I'm stoked to show you the new AlphaRex LUXX series 4Runner taillights. These taillights work with all 5th gen 4Runner, so 2010 to the present year right now, which is 2022. And we've got the Alpha Black, the Black, and the Red. So they do come in 3 different colors. It's just more of an aesthetic thing, which one you like better. The main difference between the Pro Series taillights and the LUXX Series taillights is that your LUXX Series are going to have a much brighter LED output. So they're brighter, they're more noticeable. All 3 of the taillights have a red DRL, but the Alpha Black and the Black, when you turn on the turn signal and the startup sequence, is in amber. But on the red one, the turn signal and the startup sequence is in red. The LUXX series also have a new revised startup sequence, which looks super good, and we'll show you that in a minute as well. And we're also gonna throw these on a 4Runner and show you what they look like when they are on as well. So we already have an install video for these taillights. So if you click up here or in the description, it'll take you to that video. You just unscrew 2 bolts and they're just plug and play. It's extremely easy. So now we're gonna show you what all these taillights look like on, starting with the Alpha Black, and then the black ones, and then the red ones. What we did notice is that on the smoked red and the black, they are a little bit brighter than the Alpha Black ones due to the tubes being red and smoked in comparison to the Alpha Black one where it is all jet black, blacked out. If you want to purchase these, we've got a link in our description. We have these in stock here at the 4Runner Lifestyle warehouse. So if you click in the description, you can go on our website and purchase these and we'll ship them right to your door. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to keep up to date with the latest 4Runner accessories, you can subscribe to our channel where we're putting out 1 or 2 videos every single week. And let us know which color you guys like in the comments. Do you like the Alpha Black, the black, or the red? Thanks for watching.